In order to Brixing machine, we got to take off our cover, lifting straight up and out. Then we're going to have to pull down our valves by pulling this spring, and pulling them down. Then we're going to take our nozzle, quarter turn, counterclockwise, straight down. Take our separator up, quarter turn, locks into place. We're going to take the small section of the Brix cup and put it on the fat section of the separator and the S part into our big section. We're going to push a valve, fill it up 90%. That means it's not brixed properly. So we're going to find our valve up here by getting a Phillips head screwdriver. This is our Coke valve that we just pushed. And to change the flavor, we're going to increase the syrup. I'm going to turn it one full turn clockwise, and we're going to recheck. Push again, fill it up to about 90%, and now we have a Brix product.